Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add music to your pictures on the Filto application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone, tap on the plus icon down below and then click on a picture you want to edit. Slide to the right side down below and click on the music button, which is the last one. Here you can find a bunch of musics available, and then there is a bunch of categories. There are a bunch of categories that you can choose from, such as dance, retro, pop, slow, electro and funny. If you have chosen a song, tap on it and here you can check it out, how it sounds, and if you want to insert, click on the use button. You can set the volume, tap on the check mark icon, and basically that's it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.